Slander meaning pronunciation, slander meaning. Slander refers to making false and harmful statements about someone in order to damage their reputation. Simple meaning, slander equals spreading lies or false information to hurt someone's reputation. Common uses. 1. Slander noun. False spoken statements that damage someone's reputation. Example: the actor sued the magazine for slander after they published false rumors. 2. Slander verb. To make false spoken statements about someone to harm them. Example: she slandered him by accusing him of crimes he didn't commit. Examples daily use sentences. 1. He was accused of slander after making false claims about his coworker. 2. The journalist was fired for slander after publishing incorrect information. 3. It's wrong to slander someone without proof. 4. Slander can cause serious harm to a person's career and personal life. 5. She filed a lawsuit for slander after hearing the false rumors. Real-life explanation. Slander is when someone speaks untrue things about someone else, with the intention of making others think badly of that person. It's important to understand that slander is spoken, while libel refers to written false statements.